Hi, welcome back. So let's see how to divide two values in Excel, division of two values. So I'll just try to show you one practical example, okay, live example in the business. I just have fabricated. So if you'd like to learn more things in Excel, please raise your skills and subscribe my channel. So if you look at this, let's learn two values across rows or columns, okay, how to divide it, okay. So probably let's come back. Okay, here, if you see the X column quickly, here is the values you have 10, 15 like that. And this is the Y column, you have the values. Let's try to compare the division between X by Y. Okay, or else let's do one thing. It's a smaller value. Uh, So let's do X by Y, that is better. Let's do one thing, equal to anything you can able to do it. Suppose if you would like to divide, what is your target value? Okay, this is, and you take from your keyboard, question mark, and this will be there. Question mark, if you press the shift, question mark will come. Normally it will come like this. Okay, so then come here to 10, it's simple, right? So 5, you got it. So in the similar way, if you want to do apply the formula divided by this, 5 3s are 15, right? 5 divided by 5. Okay. So a little complex divided by, okay, this like this. If you would like to, one value if you calculated the formula if supposed to apply, then you can able to drop down these rows so that across rows it will be calculated. This is one thing. Okay, if you are compare and you can able to suppose your targeted cell is this, you would like to divide these two values. Okay, suppose 10 divided by 15, so that also you can able to do it divided by, for example, 15. This is how also you can able to do it. Okay, so this is how you can able to divide the values. Okay, I think you got it by this time. So what is the formula basically? So one second, let's click this. So we have other formulas also. If we click here, okay, so that we can able to see this. So this is the division. Probably you can able to see this A4 by B4. Okay, what is the resultant row? You can able to do like this. So let me show you simple live example. For example, you can able to see this. This is the basic sector. So retail sales and industrial sales, food sales. This is what happened for 12 months in a financial year, and this is the sales value. Let's try to make this one as simply like this. I just wanted to make this as a currency. So these many rupees happen. So sales per month. Okay, that means, okay, so this is for 12 months. This is the total sales. If I would like to divide this one equal to, so this go to equal this value divided by, you will get for single month value. So how do you get divided by 12 months? Okay, so if you drag this formula, you can get here. This is one of the live example. So per day I want it. So month average I have taken it as a 30 days, so that this one divided by 30, then I will get it single day how much sales happen, 41.67. Okay, so if you drag this, this is how it happens. Okay, so I think you learn this how to. So these are the simple example I have taken. Maybe it might be complex examples. Certain times I need to write, SAP formulas for pricing for my clients, so that first I should know how to work those things in Excel, so that I can able to play with that. Like this, you can able to do some complex formulas also. I would like to describe you in future. If you really want to learn Excel in a perfect way, please subscribe my channel. Okay, it will helpful to you to make your job easy irrespective of what kind of sector you're working. Thanks so much. Thanks for joining session.